Home Remedies presents Detox your liver in 2 weeks. Cleansing or detoxing essentially refers to the filtering and removal of toxic compounds from the body. Although our bodies detoxify naturally each and every day, in today's modern world, we are constantly exposed to toxins which can cause our bodies to become overloaded and unable to sufficiently detoxify. Your liver not only acts as a filter for your blood, but it also produces hormones, stores energy, and makes compounds that allow your gut to digest food. These are a few of its many essential duties. The natural remedy I will share with you today to cleanse the liver is known to have worked exceptionally well when used on a regular basis. But along with this, it is important to eat healthy and cut down on drinking while taking this remedy. Indian gooseberry, amla, has been used extensively in Ayurveda for supporting liver function and helps in flushing out toxins from the body. It is rich in vitamin C and has the ability to reach your liver and flush out all the toxins and waste material found there. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Method of preparation. Mix 1 teaspoon of dried Indian gooseberry powder in a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Dosage. Consume this remedy every morning on an empty stomach for at least 2 weeks. Doing a cleanse is also an excellent reset for the body. I recommend repeating the cleanse at least twice a year or whenever you are feeling bloated or sluggish. I promise it will rejuvenate you from the inside out. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.